Hey you guys, how's everybody doing? I thought I'd come on here and again I'm gonna be coming on here and showing you guys some of the journals that I've made. I've made quite a bit and I've given away quite a bit. But I thought I'd show you this one because it was one of my older ones and I actually happened to have my hands on it because it belongs to my granddaughter who is now living with me because my daughter is living with me now while she finishes her nursing school. So I thought I would do a flip through. This is one of my first ones. It's not my first one. It's one of my first ones that I did. And I've mentioned before that I have been on YouTube for a long time, and I have. It seems like a lifetime ago. But I started YouTube, I think I started doing videos in 2010. Maybe. I'm not quite sure. Might be 2011. But there was a lady on here. Her name was Triple Dog Dare You, Lydia. Which I'm not sure what happened to her, but she was very inspirational to me. And I was going through a lot in my life at the time, so she really helped me. I gotta remember not to. I have a really sensitive microphone, and so I have to remember that every little noise you guys can hear. And that's my bracelet hitting the counter. Anyway, so she was very inspirational to me. Hold on. Okay. Anyways, in my last video, I showed you guys, I have, everybody's here, and so people come in here and they talk. So I have to be really careful. So this is my granddaughter's baby book that I made in, let's see, 2015. And I made this for my daughter when she was pregnant. So let's see, let's look at it. And I don't remember what I used for it. I was looking at it and I don't remember the book that I used. I don't remember what book it was. But this is Graphic 45, Little Darling. And you know, it's funny because I look at it now and I'm like, I would not have used these flowers, but my daughter liked it because it was like shabby chic during that time. These are, I think these were temples, and I painted those. I used a doily. I knew she was having a baby girl, so I cut out some little, and it's a little like very used because my granddaughter now is 8 and she likes to look through it and play with this. So I have cut out little butterflies and I put some little beads on there. Let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see it really closely. So let's open it up. And she had another one. There were going to be 4 decoupage paper in here. There's 2 signatures. No, 3. I sewed 3 signatures in here. Let me see. Yeah. So she did some writing. I put lots of stickers. I don't remember what the paper line that I used, but it had first trimester, second trimester. Put our due date there. The sonogram, and she does have them in the back. Audrey probably got a hold of them. Picture perfect. Feeling sick. put some lacer on there. So, yeah, 2015. I probably made this in the beginning of 2015. I want a pocket here. Expecting father. Second trimester. I wish I remember what paper line that was. Stickers. Baby names. I felt you kick. I just made some little journaling cards. Let's see, what names? My daughter wrote in there. I just put cards in there. Boy or girl, they didn't know yet. Cravings. Best advice I received. Cards. Place to put her cards. I'm not bad, I'm pregnant. This is third trimester, magical. Some more journaling cards in this pocket. I put some lace there. These are, yeah, this is all like graphic 45 paper, the whole packet. But I used in a different packet for that too, so I just don't remember what it was. These little darlings, anticipation. She was going to be most Mandy, her big sister, thoughts. What's a place to journal? Taking on the day of her birth. And what I did here was I put Daddy's love letter to me, Mommy's love letter to me. Put them in here, ribbon, and more journaling spots. Happy birthday. Memories, lots of pockets for cards or whatever she wanted in here. And here's where Audrey probably got a hold of these. And there's a little bag she could put, you could put these in here. Or cards or whatever. I'll put them in here. And then the back, and this is an old vintage. Actually, this was like probably over 100 years old. And the lady that I knew, it was her mother's, and that lady was really old too. I'm figuring it had to be, and she had to be really old. So yeah, I put it on there. But the back is really cool because I put, especially handmade by Nani. I had these. I bought these. I had them made. I still have some. So anyways, that's what I did. This is one of my first ones. Hope you guys enjoyed that. This is for hashtag Flipthroughfriday. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.